Good morning everyone.
We are glad to be a part of ATL Marathon 2022 to 23. We are the saviors.
I am Sudhansh Bali.
And I am Monisha Gupta from Hallmark Public School, Sector 15, Panchkula.
We created PED SAVER.
Our project aims to save the pedestrian and avoid careless accidents. Our project is eco-friendly and cost-effective. For the villages or towns which do not have electricity, we can use solar panels to run our program. Now my friend Sudhansh will show you the working of our project.
This ultrasonic sensor senses the vehicle coming, which gives the command to the brake, which is the brain of our project, and it further gives command to the medium motor,
which avails the car driver and the pedestrian too. Thank you ATL Marathon for giving us an opportunity to showcase our innovation.
Thank you.